Let me pull out some really good stats for you. CVS Health is a company. In the founding year of 1963, the first year revenue was $1 million. You know what was the recent revenue 2024? $357 billion. A B. Let's talk about one of the famous brands called as Apple. The first year in 1977, they did $0.8 million. You know what was the last year revenue? $391 billion again. Let's talk about Google, Alphabet. And I don't even know what's their founding year revenue, but from IPO filing, the revenue was $220 million. The latest revenue was $307 billion. And all these examples are of nothing but exponential scale. You might have heard this word 1,000 times, which is exponential, compounding, blah, blah, blah. But how do you ever achieve that exponential growth in your business? And in this video, I'm going to exactly explain you how you can get that exponential growth, why you will get that exponential growth, and how to have a step-by-step plan to get that exponential growth in your business. Now, this video is a clip of an event for which people pay 1.5 lakh plus GST to sit into for a quarter, and I'm giving this for absolutely free, and in return, I just want your love. But take notes, because people have paid for this, you get it for absolutely free. Now, in this whole clip, I'll go into a finance sheet to explain you the whole concept. If you want a template of the finance sheet, you can check out the description. Now I'll share the finance sheet with you to show you how numbers look like. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक पहले estimate देता हूँ that how did our business built and किस तरीके से हमने उसको बड़ा किया. I'll just give you some numbers to make you understand how things work. So we were in 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. Live which is right now. अभी मैं आपको दो चीजें बताऊंगा. 2021 में क्या हुआ, 2022 में क्या हुआ, 3 में क्या हुआ, 4 में क्या हुआ, रेवेन्यू प्रॉफिट क्या था हमारे पूरे साल में. क्लियर? ट्रांसपेरेंटली आई शेयर ऑल द नंबर्स और फिर उसके बाद शीट भी शेयर करूंगा. सो 2021, दिस इज द ईयर वी स्टार्टेड. हाउ मेनी ऑफ स्टार्टेड दिस ईयर बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स? किसका इस साल चालू हुआ है? ऊपर करो एकदम. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए. योर रेवेन्यू वुड नॉट बी मच एंड योर प्रॉफिट्स वुड बी इन माइनस. वेरी ओके. फर्स्ट फुल ईयर में I did 1.5 lakh revenue पूरे साल में. If you divide it by 12, it's around 12,000 rupees a month. पूरे साल में we did 1.5 lakhs revenue, cash collected, out of which profit, so I'll put it like this, profit was 3,000 rupees in a year. यानी कि I was using money from my pocket to run the business. How many of you are doing like that by raise of hands? बहुत normal है. It is very normal because you are building a asset. Tell me one thing, any asset you build, stocks, real estate, vehicles, anything you build, you require capital in the start, yes, no? Business is an asset as well. So when you are building it, the first year would be rough because you are building the asset. So capital will go, energy will go, time will go. But the best part is, once this asset is built, it will keep on giving you money for generations. So don't keep your job mindset of मेरा पर मंथ नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं आएगा. पहले 2 साल it would be very up and down, which is absolutely fine. If yours are going good, very good. But it would be absolutely tough to survive. And it's very fine because you're building an asset. Imagine like this, if you have built this once you need to build it once. एक बार सही हो रहा है बस. Once you have built it, it just keeps on providing. Because you can hire any good automating firm and they can automate the business rest. उसकी टेंशन मत लो कि ऑटोमेट कैसे होगा, बाहर कैसे निकलूंगा, वो सब हो जाएगा. मेरा भी हुआ ना, मैं दुबई में हूँ, यहाँ तो काम करता नहीं हूँ, मेरे एड्स भी बंद है, हुआ ना. आपका भी हो सकता है. Their process वो सिखा देंगे, उसमें it's not rocket science. The main part is you stuck to it. And for 2 years जो ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, you are okay with that. You accept it, कोई बात. अभी मैं asset बना रहा हूँ तो होगा. Because this asset is going to pay me for lifetimes. Now you might be confused because of this word called as automating firm. There are multiple firms that exist, but 2 of them I'll explain you right now. It's called as a automating firm and an auditing firm. A automating firm is a firm that is responsible to automate your business once you reach a particular scale. Let's say you're doing 50 crores a year and now you want to automate your business. You don't sit yourself and start automating it. You hire an automating firm, they charge a lot, but the goal of that firm is to replace you in your business by creating documents, systems, SOPs, and everything so that you can replace yourself from the business and your business can be automated. The second is called as an auditing firm. The auditing firm is all about auditing your finance sheets and all the numbers of your business to see that if they are correct or is there any loophole or leakages in the whole system. That auditing firm, once sent to a financial firm, can also find a seller for your business. Now these are very complex things. I explain in a different video. If you want a video on that, let me know. अब मैं आपको 2022 दिखा दूं. 2021 के एंड में शायद हमको कुछ सा ब्रेक थ्रू टाइप मिला था. दिस 2022. ठीक है, ये आपको दिख रहा होगा. देखो पेमेंट्स, ये यहाँ पे इनकमिंग है, यहाँ पे आउट गोइंग है. किसको दिख रहा है? आउट गोइंग इज बिगर देन इनकमिंग. अरे यस नो, वेरी नॉर्मल. दिख रहा है ना, आउट गोइंग बिगर देन इनकमिंग. अभी देखो एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स बताता हूँ. ये रहे मेरे एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स. टोटल क्लोज्ड अमाउंट 3 लाख रुपए, मतलब टोटल कैश कलेक्टेड, सॉरी टोटल ऑर्डर टेकन. टोटल रिसीव्ड अमाउंट इज 2,70,000, मतलब कैश कलेक्टेड 270. टोटल बैलेंस जो मार्केट से लेना है 4,70,000, जो कभी नहीं आया. टोटल एक्सपेंस 2,60,000. प्रॉफिट क्या है? 9,000 रुपीज. इसमें मैं एक टीम चला रहा हूं. So if I cut all the salaries, software, ad spend, everything, January 2022, I made this much. Think about it. How many of you have profit more than this by raise of hands? बाकी सबका इससे कम है. How many of you have a profit more than this? 10,000 rupees a month. Good, तुम मेरे से अच्छा कर रहे हो. This was my profit. Now I'll show you how exponentially thing works. Let's get to next one. February. 4,70,000 total cash collected. Profit 1,66,000. Can you see the fluctuation? From 10,000 you went to 1.5 lakh rupees per month profit. Right? अभी fluctuation देखना और कैसे होता है. Then comes March. देखो 68,000 rupees profit now. 10,000, 1.5 lakhs, 70,000. It's continuously up and down. But with time it would get very minimalistic. बहुत कम हो जाएगा, कोई problem नहीं. If this is going up and down, it's a good sign. Because anything that goes up and down is moving forward. If it is stable, it is not moving forward. समझ में आया? If anything is going up and down, that means it is moving forward. If it is stable, it is not moving forward. It is stuck at the same position. There is no new innovation in that. So if your revenue or profit is going up and down, it's a very good sign. बहुत बढ़िया होना चाहिए. Right? April. कितना है प्रॉफिट? बोलो जरा. जहां से चले थे वहीं पहुंच गए. रेवेन्यू डबल्ड. पहले महीने 3 लाख था, अभी 6 लाख है. प्रॉफिट कितना है? उतना ही. बट आई एम नॉट क्विटिंग. मैं हार नहीं मान रहा हूं. भले कोई भी नंबर्स आए, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट दिस. दिस डज नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट्स माई इंटेंशन, माई एफर्ट्स, माई एनर्जी. ये रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करता है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस. जस्ट वेट फॉर इट, बिकॉज थिंग्स चेंज वेरी रैपिडली. ईयर के एंड तक आप नंबर देखो, आप बोलोगे भाई साहब ये कैसे हो रहा है. इट्स बिकॉज आई एम स्टिकिंग टू इट. आई एम नॉट क्विटिंग. मैं चाहूं तो यहाँ पे एड्स बंद कर सकता हूँ डर के मारे. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा, क्या फायदा है? पूरे महीने मेहनत करता 10,000 रुपए आता है, एड्स बंद कर दो. ना 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 ना, आई एम नॉट क्विटिंग. बट मोस्ट पीपल क्विट एट दिस पोजिशन. पर मैं नहीं क्विट कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है 10,000, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट मंथ 16 लाख रेवेन्यू, 15 लाख रेवेन्यू टेक्निकली. कितना प्रॉफिट? 3.5 लाख. Highest profit ever from the lowest month again. Can you see the variation? Yes or no? How many of you have a finance sheet like this only by raise of hands? इतनी ऊपर नीचे हो रही है आपकी. इससे तो कम ही होगी भाई. चलो इससे कम है. जब मैं इसमें नहीं डर रहा तो उसमें क्यों डर रहे हो? When you know that this is your set clients who keep on paying you and you keep on getting these many of customers, see my fluctuation. And I have a team over here. अगर मैं आपको expense side पे ले जाऊं, ये देखो expense side. दिख रहा है? ये सब टीम को जा रहा है। देखो आ गया सागर, विवेक, जानसी, काव्या, वेदांत, अर्पित, वैशाली, विवेक, भावेश. Can you see how many team members I have? Sagar, Sumit, all these are salaries that are going out, right? Next, June. $7 lakhs profit. 24 lakh revenue, 7 lakhs profit. July, 10 lakhs profit. 28 lakhs revenue. August, 54 lakhs revenue. Profit कितना है? 6 लाख रुपए. 50 लाख रुपए महीने कमा रहा हूं मैं, प्रॉफिट 6 लाख जेब में. कोई बात नहीं, शॉर्ट टर्म है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन द लॉन्ग टर्म. वेरी नॉर्मल, होने दो. 2 साल पहले की बात है, होने दो, चलेगा. हैपेंड सितंबर. ऊप्स, 32 लाख रेवेन्यू, -4 लाख प्रॉफिट. वेरी ओके, कोई बात नहीं. नॉट क्विटिंग. समझ में आया? इट्स अ माइंडसेट ब्रो. इट्स नॉट अ स्ट्रैटेजी, इट्स नॉट अ टेक्निक, इट्स अ माइंडसेट. मैं हार मानने ही नहीं आया हूं. जो भी नंबर आ जाए मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट द स्कोर बोर्ड, एटलीस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 years. Once this is done, then I look at the scoreboard and I know it will be good because I'm just trying to put the effort. -4 लाख, 32 लाख रेवेन्यू में, मतलब मैंने पूरे महीने मेहनत करी, 4 लाख गया. After 1.5 years of the business, fine, देख लेंगे भाई. It's really hard at this point because you're paying everyone but not yourself. और जब तुम किसी को बोलते हो भाई 30 लाख रुपए महीने का धंधा है मेरा, तो तुम्हारी लाइफस्टाइल भी फिर उसी हिसाब से होनी चाहिए. पर -4 लाख आ रहा है तो अभी भी तुम रेंटेड घर में ही रहोगे बिना गाड़ी के, 2 व्हीलर पे, जो मैं था. मैंने एक्सेप्टेड. नॉट द राइट पोजीशन. 30 लाख रुपए रेवेन्यू हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट -4 लाख. बट यू विल सी द मैजिक बिकॉज आई एम नॉट लीविंग द गेम. एंड बिकॉज आई एम नॉट लीविंग, गेम चेंजेस. अक्टूबर, अगेन बैक ऑन ट्रैक, 7 lakhs प्रॉफिट, रेवेन्यू डिप हुआ. नवंबर कितना है? 25 लाख प्रॉफिट. रेवेन्यू कितना है? ओनली 31 lakhs. नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड हाउ द गेम इज प्लेड. क्योंकि वो ऊपर नीचे हुआ तो कभी नीचे प्रॉफिट इज डाउन, कभी प्रॉफिट इज अप. सो नाउ आई नो द रीजन व्हाई प्रॉफिट इज गेटिंग अप एंड डाउन. एंड नाउ आई कैन ऑप्टिमाइज द बिजनेस इन सच अ वे वेयर आई डू 30 lakhs revenue with 25 lakhs profit. Does that make sense? When we were scaling IC rapidly in the past, before we shut down our ads for the past 6 months, it was very aggressive scaling. I was not looking at profits and I'm fine with it. Because now we have a business which is fully profitable. We only have one expense, salaries. That's it. Expense नहीं. क्या expense हो? Agency there's no, because we don't run ads. No video editor, no graphic designer because we don't need them. 2 महीने में एक इवेंट, उसका कॉस्ट. उसके अलावा क्या कॉस्ट है? Only salaries. And my team members have greatly reduced to a very small number. Problem solved. I can optimize my profits now. Now my business will generate a profits of 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs without running ads. Because it's a game. It's a part by part process. So first I scale it big. I build a big list. I set up all the systems. I made in such a way that the business is scalable. And then I shut off systems that create the most expense. Cut, 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 cut. अगले महीने से बहुत बड़ा प्रॉफिट चालू. समझ में आया? राइट? यू किल द रोटेशन गेम, सो प्रॉफिट स्टार्ट टू बैंक अप. अभी मुझे मन करेगा, आई कैन स्टार्ट माय एड्स अगेन 6 months बाद, स्केल इट इन 3 months, देन स्टॉप इट. यू जस्ट कीप ऑन वर्किंग लाइक दैट एंड क्रिएट मेजर प्रॉफिट्स इन द बिजनेस. राइट? अभी लास्ट मंथ दिसंबर, $10 lakhs profit and the year ends. How many felt it's really a ऊपर नीचे वाला जर्नी बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स? है बहुत. 2023 खोलूंगा तो ऑर्डर जाओगे, और नहीं खोलूंगा मैं. इट्स वेरी टफ टू गो थ्रू दिस होल थिंग. बट चेक आउट दिस वन थिंग. यहाँ पे एक शीट दिख रही है आपको, दिख रही है कोने में? क्या लिखा है? टारगेट नहीं हिला है मेरा -4 लाख है, बट आई एम नॉट चेंजिंग द टारगेट. मेरा मैथ्स ये चल रहा है, हाउ टू हिट अ करोड़. At a position where my first month I'm doing 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees as revenue, my target is still a crore. मैं उसको चेंज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. शीट बनी हुई है करोड़ मैथ्स. When I'm doing the whole maths of 1 crore कैसे टच करेंगे? What is the numbers I need to convert on? How many leads do we need? How many sales call do we need to have? How many webinars we need to have to hit that 1 crore number? And I'm doing everything in my own to get that number touched. Now let's come back to the numbers. 2021, 1.5 lakh revenue. Sorry, it was 2020. Then comes 2021. So 2020 we hugged half क्योंकि मेरी जॉब लग गई थी उसके बाद. 2021 it started. We did 16 lakhs revenue in the whole year. पूरे साल में 2.5 लाख प्रॉफिट. 16 lakhs revenue, 2.5 लाख प्रॉफिट. Simple. 2022. We would have done around 1.7 CR revenue. And we would have done around 22 lakhs profit, जितना मुझे याद आ रहा है. Just see the journey. पहले साल 1.5 लाख, फिर 16 लाख, now 1.7 CR. 2023, you know the number? 2023 में we did around 22 CR revenue. Profit 25% मान लो. 2024, which is the ongoing year, आधा साल हुआ है. You know how much we have done? 32 CR. और अभी एड्स बंद हैं. Because it is an exponential game. How many of you cannot imagine right now 10 CR a year for your business? By raise of hands, be honest. 10 करोड़ नहीं हो पाएगा भाई, बहुत बड़ा नंबर है. आज के ही दिन पे जब निकलोगे तब पूछूंगा 10 करोड़ हो पाएगा कि नहीं. और तुम बोलोगे भाई ये तो बहुत कम बोल रहे हो तुम. यू आर गोइंग टू से इट, नॉट मी. यू विल हैव अ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस फेज. और बोलो कैसे होगा? तुम मैथ्स करके दिखाओगे, ऐसे होगा. बाय लीविंग दिस रूम विल हैव द एग्जैक्ट मैथ्स. कितने लोगों ने लास्ट में एक्टिविटी करी है? बाय रेज ऑफ हैंड्स. बस नए वालों ready हो जाओ, because you're going to do that activity and you'll understand that how easy it is to achieve numbers. Why you think small and why you're in a small scope? Because you have not seen bigger numbers on paper. Once you build it on paper, the maths of your business, you will see how easy it is to build from there. Does that make sense? So now you understand that exponential is really possible. You might be thinking, how is it possible for you and what you can do? There are 3 simple steps. Number 1, don't quit. Because exponential progress only happens when you don't quit. See, the exponential graph looks something like this. Now, in this graph, if you quit in this place, you'll never reach here. If you quit over here, you'll never reach here. If you quit over here, you'll never reach here. The whole idea is to reach here. This is where you get the most returns on your money, your effort, your time, your energy. So this is the whole graph that will go through. And if you quit in between in any of these periods, you will not get the exponential curve. So the whole idea of the exponential curve in stocks is not to sell, in business is not to quit, in reputation is to just keep working. And all these places where exponential actually applies, you just need to understand you don't need to quit. If you quit, the exponential game is over. You're back to square one and you start again. Number 2, feedback loop. If there is no feedback loop in different departments of your business, then you would never grow exponentially. The only thing that grows exponentially is something that is having a feedback loop. Think about this. The first thing that went viral was internet. Why? Because internet had a feedback loop. Some people used it, told why it is bad. Some people made it better, made new websites. Internet got better, and it's a feedback loop. Second thing that became really famous fast was Facebook. Again, a feedback loop. Facebook got users, understood what they hate, understood what they like, create a new page, do it again and again and again and again. And in 10 years, you see Facebook is today. Then the next thing that went viral was, let's say, TikTok. What is TikTok? Again, feedback loop. TikTok made, content is good or bad, new users come, and it's a feedback loop again. Amazon, save, Flywheel. Everything that you see that grows exponentially. ChatGPT, your example, right? It is a feedback loop because the more you put data into it, the more it is trained. The more it is trained, the better output it gives. So it's an exponential loop again. If you can create that kind of an exponential loop, you would be actually able to create exponentially growth for yourself because your feedback loop is really strong. In your business, the feedback should not only come from one place, which is customers, should come from everywhere. You should just talk to people to understand more about your business. The recent venture I'm on to, which is Originates, I talked to how many investors, and I have raised zero capital till now. But I would have talked to at least 25 investors, and this includes angel and VC investors both, and people who have some big track records of building, like, let's say, even unicorns. I've talked to them just to tell me one thing: what am I doing wrong? So what I do is I made the O8 model. I'm in a POC state still, and I created a whole doc of 3 pages. I go on a Google Meet with them. I explain them the whole model. And I don't want to listen, oh, I'm fascinated. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh, wow, what numbers. I don't want to listen to that. I want to listen, what am I doing wrong? As per your experience, as per your perspective, what am I doing wrong? And believe it or not, they have a new perspective. They tell me things that I'm not aware about. And due to those things, I'm able to understand more about my business model and recorrect it. Because that feedback loop, once done, I would reach to a stage where now O8 is technically an unbreakable structure, because I've taken feedback from technically a lot of investors who have all the perspectives in the world. And because of that, I don't need to raise money from them, but just that feedback will change the way how I do business. Number 3, focus on the bigger picture, and whenever confused, zoom out. When you will go into the micro details, you'll always get confused, right? Let's say you have a funnel in which you put, let's say, monthly 10 lakh rupees in ad spend, you make 20 lakhs out. So you have a 2 crore S. But now you go into micro details. Oh, my CPA is 650, my average order value is 670. Oh, I can do the CTR over here. You'll get confused over here because it's micro. Do you need to handle it? Yes. But do you need to live over there? No. You need to always come to the macro and zoom out whenever you're confused. So whenever you're looking at numbers and you're getting confused, just zoom out and see. And I see the full picture, which is I put 1 rupees in, I get 2 rupees out. The business is good to go. Thank you so much. That's it. When you go into too much details, you will obviously get a lot of confusion. That confusion will not help you make good decisions, due to which you would not be able to get that exponential scale, because the decisions over here are not so good. The decisions that you take over here are actually the ones that lead you to the exponential curve. The decision you make over here is not the exponential curve. These decisions lead you to the exponential curve. So in my opinion, you should always zoom out, keep on working, make the right decisions in the long term. And even if you make 3 or 4 decisions in a year, bro, you nailed it. Like, you just need 3 or 4 good decisions in a year and you're done. And that's not me saying, that's Bezos saying. So the whole idea is that you get good decisions over here because you're looking at the macro. And once you spend enough time, you don't quit, you put the feedback loop, you would see the exponential curve coming very, very soon. So the whole idea is to picture the long term and not expect an exponential gain in 3 months, because that does not happen. It doesn't happen like that. You saw the numbers, right? Apple in 1977 did $0.8 million 50 years back, and today they're doing $300 billion. I'm asking you this: if you stick to your business not for 50 years but 15 years, you will make so much money that you can't believe. But most people would never stick for 15 years because they get some shiny object syndrome that they want to catch up into, because they think this new opportunity is much bigger than theirs. And if you're having that roller coaster, I completely understand. I know what you're going through. I've shared my numbers with you. You know how it looks like. But stick to the process. Don't quit, and you'll see the magic very, very soon. Now share this video with someone who's in the starting years of their business and panicking because they're going through a roller coaster right now. If you loved any part of this video, let me know in the comments. It just helps me make better videos. If you want more event snippets like this, let me know in the comments as well, like what topics you want to cover. My whole job with these videos is to give you as much value as possible so that you can implement in your business, take action, grow your business, and someday thank me.